how to change wallpaper on iOS 17. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here to our settings immediately. Here, click on your settings, and it will lead you here to your settings area. Now, what you're gonna do next is to scroll down up until you see the wallpaper. Here, it's actually under accessibility and above standby. So click on wallpaper here. And as you can see, I have my wallpapers here. So if you would like to go back to your previous wallpaper, then what you're gonna do is to just set it here, for example, this one, and on the upper part, you'll see set as current. Tap on set as current. Now, let's say you wanna add a new wallpaper or create a new wallpaper. So just swipe here to the right up until it says new here and tap on the plus sign here. Now, there's a lot of options here. You can either add from photos or people, or we have a free here where it says featured. So you can also choose a photo shuffle where it will project pictures from your gallery, different pictures from your gallery from time to time. So for me, let's just wanna go to our featured here. Let's say this one, I wanna add this. I wanna add this wallpaper. So on the upper right, you will see the word add here. Tap on, see, you can actually move that around and tap on add on the upper right. And it's either you can set it as wallpaper pair, or if you want to change your or customize or use different home screen, you can also do that. So for me, I'm just gonna use this home screen and tap on set as wallpaper pair. And basically it will be set as your current wallpaper. Now if we go back, as you can see here, we have successfully set our or we have successfully changed our wallpaper in iOS 17, and basically that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.